Hi everyone, welcome back to part 2 of Apex weapon class, and in part 2 we're going to cover the light machine guns and the submachine guns. There's only 2 light machine guns to cover, so we're going to start with them. And the first weapon we're going to have a look at is the Devotion. The Devotion is an optic barrel stock hop-up, full auto, energy LMG light machine gun. It does a body damage average of 17 and average damage, head damage of 34. Let's check it out. We're gonna hit the body first. As you see, getting an average of 17, which is correct. Now we're going to do headshots, and as I said before, the average is 34 for a headshot with this weapon. So it looks like it is quite correct what it says on the net. We'll do some random. Yeah, very good. We'll see in its full auto. Nice weapon. Sealed range. Very powerful. So it looks like it is correct. We're getting full average of 17 on the body. On the head, 34, which is correct. Let's see it on the move. Yeah, nice weapon. Let's check it out with some attachments. It's a bit funny, just checked around and there's no attachments to this weapon. But overall, it is a nice weapon. Stick 45 in the magazine. And that's the Devotion, the LMG. And next up in the light machine gun category is the M600 Spitfire. That's one of my favourites, and I've used it plenty of times in the game. As you can see on the bottom right hand corner, it's opted out with a barrel and scope. This is an optic Mac barrel stock, full auto light machine gun, and as I said, this is definitely one of my favourites to pick up when I'm playing a game. I think you've seen in one of my videos, in my season 3 video, I use it quite a lot. So let's check it out. Now the average of this weapon is 20 for the body, 40 for the head. Let's check it out. 18. It did say 20 on the internet. Sticking at 18. We ever hit the chest? I don't know. Well, he's staying at 18. I did say 20 was the target. What it says on the net. Hmm, 18 looks like it. What about legs? 14. Puts it down. Let's do a headshot anyway, and the target, what it said on the internet is that the hit value is 40. 36. 36. 36. The average is 36. More body shots. 18. 36. So it is staying. Spitfire is a full automatic weapon. Let's see go full auto. Beautiful noise out of it. See it at range, full auto. On the move, full auto. That's got a lot of movement, like. Way off. Okay, let's try the M600. Try the Spitfire with some attachments. This is the Spitfire with full attachments on. We've got a barrel, got extended mag, got a ×4 optic, and we've got a grip, shoulder grip on. Let's test it with this on single shots to the body. 14. And if you remember, the target is, let's have a look at my paperwork, we've got it here, is 20 to the body, it says on the internet. 18 and getting, still with all attachments on. And to the head, it says 40, 36. So it's a little bit off what it says on the internet. Try again. 36. A lot more stable. With this optic, you can see it's better. Barrel just makes it stable, like. It's deadly, like. Bit sensitive, my controls. I think I need to adjust them. Yeah, nice with the attachments on this weapon. And as you can see, you get a good 55 now with the extended mag. So that's the Spitfire, one of my favourite weapons in the game. Nice light machine gun. Let's go to the next weapon. Okay, The next weapon is in a different class. This is the submachine guns, and this is the R99. This weapon is it's got optic, mag, barrel and stock. It's got rapid fire. It's got rapid fire automatic submachine gun. In the body damage is 12 and head damage is 18. Let's see, and let's test it out. 11. It's 11 on the body up to now. Double tapping there, so 122. So it's 11 definitely. It did say 12 on the internet, but it's 11 on this, on the R99. And on the head it says 18. 17, so it's off 1 on both body and headshots. Up to now. Downed them. Yeah, sticking a 17 on the head. Yeah, just 1 off. And you see with the full mag you get 20 rounds. Not bad, the submachine gun. And as I said before, this is a rapid fire automatic, so let's see it rapid. You see it takes a while to put down the enemy with this. So you have to change your mag. Maybe we do headshots on automatic. It takes at least a mag and a bit more than 20 rounds to put a man down. On the move, so went through my mag, and he's nearly still half his strength. Let's check it out again on the move. Going through a mag, it's not may should be effective for a see, let's try a range shot with it. I think it'd be a better weapon for suppression. Takes a while. Let's get some more. Let's try it out with some attachments. Okay, this is the R99, which, well, it's, as you can see in the bottom screen, it's got full attachments on it. It's got a barrel. It's got extended mag. It's got an optic, and it's got a stock. With extended mags, as you can see, it goes from 20 to 27. Let's see what it's like with all the attachments on it. Still get the same amount of power. More steady though. So yeah, I think it'll be a lot better with all the attachments on it, definitely. Let's see it on the move. See range. Not very accurate. See it on the move with the slide. It's not a, I don't think it's the greatest weapon, but that's the R99 anyway. Onto the submachine gun. Okay, the next submachine gun on the in this class is the Alternator. Okay, this is an optic mag barrel and stock. It's got twin barrel, full auto semi-machine gun. This is the second class is the second best in submachine guns, and this is got the body damage with 13 and head damage 19. Let's shoot the body first. Get an average of 15. That's well more than what it says. Yeah, 15. Try head. On the internet it says 19. It was a 23. So you can get a 23, 23, 23 with the head. So you're getting well more what the internet says up to now. Let's try some more. As I said, I've been getting 15s. Internet says 13s on the body. Yeah, 15 definitely for the body. 23 for the head. That's good. So you're getting more than the internet says on both both targets, body and head. Let's see it in its full automatic. Range. Definitely another suppressive weapon. It is a nice weapon though. So yeah, let's check this alternator out with some attachments on. Okay, this is the alternator with full attachments. I've got a barrel, extended mag, different optic with 1-2 range, and a stock. Let's check it out on the still getting the same mount, no difference with all attachments. Lost steady. With the attachments I think it'll be better range as well. Yeah, more stable, lot stable. Lot stable weapon, a lot better with the attachments on. Let's check it out on the move. Yeah. yeah, that's the alternator. Not a bad submachine gun. On to the next weapon. Okay, this is the last submachine gun in this class, and that is the Prowler. This is classed as the #1 submachine gun submachine gun in the game Apex. Let's check it out. It does. You can put an optic, mag barrel, and hop up on this weapon with attachments. It has 5-round bursts. It does a body damage of 14 and a head damage of 21. Let's check it out. Yeah, just £5. Yeah, it's quite hard to weigh up. It's just £5. It's hard to weigh up actually. But yeah. For what you get 20 rounds, just 5-round bursts, so seems like the trigger. This is a powerful weapon. See, it's like on the move. 1, 2, 3. See, it's like on the move. To sort out my controls, definitely super sensitive. So yeah, that's on. This is the Prowler. Let's see with the attachments. This is the Prowler with all the attachments on, as you can see in the bottom right. I've got the extended mag, which puts it to 30 instead of 20. It puts it on 35 rounds. I've got optic of Zoom 2. I've got a stock on it, and I've also got, what is it I've got, let's check it out. Select by receiver. So let's check it out. Still goes to 5-round bursts. The full mag on range. That the 5-round burst is good, like. But this is with the barrel on. Oh no, without a barrel. Can't put a barrel on this weapon. So. Let's use all that rounds though. So yeah, that's the Prowler, and that's the last of the submachine guns. So that's the end of the 2 classes in this video. What I'm going to do is now is pick my 2 favourite ones in both classes, in light machine gun and submachine gun. Okay, so it wasn't hard to pick my favourite light machine gun, and that is the M600 Spitfire. If I see it in the game, I'm always going to pick it up and try and get all the attachments for it, because it is a good weapon. I think it is my favourite light machine gun. Let's check it out. And that's the M600 Spitfire. And I've picked the R99 is my favourite submachine gun. It is it's not the greatest weapon, but it's my favourite in this category. The Prowler at the 5 burst was okay, and the alternator was alright, but this fully kitted out, I think this is the best machine gun. Well, my favourite anyway. Other people might think different, but yeah. And that's the R99. Thanks for watching this video, and keep your eye open for part 4. It'll be the last part for the weapons for Apex. Thanks for watching again.